welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my boxes from mysterygrail.com. I ordered on 10/31. They had leftover boxes from the New York Comic Con Mystery Grail boxes, so you could buy two and get one free. So I went ahead and ordered the two, and let's see what I got. I already cut the box open, so let's see what we have here. These are cool little boxes. Oops. Okay. Ooh. Oops, upside down. What we got here? Oh, from Clue. Mrs. White. Hey, that's one of my favorite board games, so that is neat. And got the little scratcher. And as usual, a little candy. And another scratch to win. Oh, and the other thing I forgot, you get a guitar pick. Oops. Yeah, and so many points. This is neat. This is cool. And I really like this Mrs. White. Look at that. Let's go on to the next one. Buzz Lightyear XL15 with sock. Okay. Just dropped my candy. Okay. This is neat. My little scratch card. One of my candies. I'll scratch and win. Oh, I just dropped my guitar pick. Alrighty, let's see what that was. Mystery Grail, and it's 1,300 pieces. New York 2023. Alrighty. What else we got? Oops. Alrighty. I got 4 boxes here. I ordered 2. Did I get an extra free one? I'll have to look into that and see what happened here. Alrighty. Oops, upside down. Harry Potter, Patronus, Ron Weasley. Alrighty. So let's see this. Not too much into Harry Potter, so I don't really know who Patronus is. So scratch card, candy, scratch and win, and the guitar pick. Okay, this is neat. Okay, and this last one here. All right. I do like these boxes. Look, it's cool. Captain Crunch. Oh, it's my first little cereal I've gotten. This is cool. This is neat. A little scratcher. handy. Scratch and win. And my guitar pick. Alrighty. This is neat, this little Captain Crunch. Alrighty. Well, let me know down below what you thought about this. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And till next time, bye now.